You have seen that high memory usage in Windows 10. This is common. In this video, I will show you how to fix high memory usage in Windows 10, so don't skip video. This step is to disable the sys main service. Type on services and open it. Here search for the sys main service. Go to its properties and disable it. Step 2. Step 2 is Registry tweaks. Type on Registry editor and open it. Command is given in description. Copy it and paste it in the Registry editor and then press enter. Here you will find the start option. Modify it and change its value to 4. Other command is also in description. You can copy it. Copy it and paste it in the Registry editor. Here click on create page file at shutdown and set its value to 1. Step 3. Step 3 is disable unwanted startup program. Open Task Manager and open Startup and disable all the programs there. Step 4. Step 4 is to set power plan. Open power and sleep setting. Here on the side, click on additional power setting and create a power plan. Set it to high performance and its name also to high performance. Step 5. This step is to uninstall program. Open control panel. Here open uninstall a program and if you find any unnecessary program, uninstall it. This was all. Hope you like it. Subscribe the channel for more tech videos.